While installing Hackintosh, you might have problems like your audio won't work or you won't be able to hear sound from your headphones. And right now I have the same problem. I'm on Intel Core i5, 8 GB RAM, OS X, Hackintosh, and actually the problem is due to if you go and I'll show you the ALC. So the problem is due to ALC numbers, and in Hackintosh there is a system to add the ID or device ID. So first of all you have to mount EFI folder and click on open, and then once the EFI folder is open, you can just click on home and open the clover configurator.plst file. So now the first thing is in ACPI you have to right click and click on change HDAS to HDEF, and pause the video over here and copy the hex code provided over here. So these are basically for using the Realtek drivers or the audio drivers. So next thing you need to do is go to device, click on reset HDA. So you have to reset HDA because while installing you might have problems wherein your audio files will be merged with someone else HDA audio files. Now in inject you have to type a number. Now this number is unique for all ALC graphic cards, or ALC audio cards. So for example, I have a gigabyte motherboard. You have to go to specifications on Google, just type your motherboard name, then go to your page, go to specifications, and here you can see I have ALC 892. So for each codec, for each ALC codec, there are different numbers to be entered in inject sound or in inject HDA. So how and which number should you enter? So just find which ALC your motherboard has, and then you can enter the number according to the list that I have provided in the resources of the video. So this list is provided in the resources of the video. So if you have ALC let's say 269 or 283, 885, and these are the common ALCs. I'll provide a list of ALCs. So these are all the common ALCs used, ALC codecs used in recent motherboards, and even in past a few of them were used. So ALC 269, ALC 283, ALC 285, 887, 888, 889, 892, 898, 1150, and you can enter one of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and if you have ALC 887 or any 800 series, like 800 3-digit series, you can enter 3. So 3 is important. So these are the numbers you have to try, and it's always on your luck. So for example, if I have ALC 269, I'll enter 1 and then restart my computer and see if the audio is working. If it is not working, I'll enter 2 and then 3 and then 5 and then 6. So after changing the numbers, you have to restart your computer and make sure you check your audio, so if it works or not. So once your audio works, you can save that and you can use that number. But for ALC 1150, you have to add in 11 or 3. These are the most important numbers, and there are other numbers as well, and I'll show you in general how it works. But for what I've tested is for ALC 1150, 11 and 3 works. 892, that is what I have right now. 934647 works, and 120 I get like 7, and this works. So you have to Google audio inject code for Realtek, and then the driver that you are searching for, like the codec that you have, like ALC 887 or ALC 888. So usually the numbers are in odd digit. You have 1, 3, 7 and stuff like that. And you can just go to Kexts and go to 10.13 because we have uh, 10.13 OS, and you have to delete all the Apple ALC, all the HDA files and ALC. So these things you have to delete, and then you have to add Apple ALC and Lilu Kext and even Voodoo HDA. So you have to add these three Kext files in your Clover folder, in your Kext folder, and these will be provided in the resources. So you have to add these files. And Lilu is basically it will fix up, so you have to see combination, like if you want Lilu plus ALC, you can use that. If you just want Voodoo, then just use Voodoo. Voodoo is like universal drivers. And make sure before inserting my ALC files or the files that are attached in this post, you should remove all other ALC or HDA files. So anything named ALC or ending with HDA should be removed, and then and only then you can add my files, and you this will work. So make sure everything else is removed, and then you can add my files that are attached in the video. These are all the modified files and the latest version of Lilu. So you have to make sure before using my method you should remove all the files and all the ALC and HDA files. So once you have removed them, what you can do is you can use Lilu plus ALC file, or you can use Voodoo, or you can use both. So both methods are valid. So this is how it works, and just make sure you remove everything. In my next video I'll show you how you can find answers to your question and how you can fix your problems, and how I'll be helping you, and what are other methods to fix all other problems.